Hey everyone! Welcome back to ADC Mentor. Today, we are diving deep into the exciting realm of mockup packaging. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. Click here and select Direct Selection tool. Hold Alt button plus scroll up V. Click and drag for Make Selection. Ctrl plus left click. Right click on this layer and convert to Smart Object. Left click on this icon for masking. Ctrl plus A plus C for select and copy. Double click on this icon and paste here to Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus T and adjust to following this process. Ctrl plus S for showing final result. Here, your mockup is ready. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of creativity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creatives, and don't forget to comment below with your thoughts. Subscribe for more design inspiration, and until next time, keep creating and innovating.